everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seaton from Sargent Plans. Today we are planning for the week of December 14th through December 20th in my Happy Planner Classic Vertical. And I can't believe Christmas is next week. It's coming so fast. And then we can say goodbye to 2020, which has pretty much been a dumpster fire for a lot of people. So this week we are going to be using Squad Goals, Squad Life, pretty much everything Squad Girls. I just think these are so cute. They're always adorable. They're one of my favorites. And we're going to be mixing it up with some different stickers. I have these really large ones from Mambi. I have a journaling set. And then, of course, the Squad Goals and Squad Life sticker books. So let's get started. I think that this girl is so cute. She's got a Christmas tree on top of her fucking pink curved Corvette. So, you know, she's pretty much a badass. Is going to go here. Or do I want her in the middle? No, I want her down here. And then this lady with holding all the presents, I am going to put on the side over here. But I want to block this poinsettia. So let's go into the book and see what we can find. Actually, I think what I'll do is I will cover it up after with something. All right. Now these are the journaling cards. I think these are really cute. I don't use them too often, but I thought instead, since I covered up my sidebar, which is normally where I put my list of things I want to try and get done for the week, there's this one here that says things I have to do. What is this one? That one's just lined. What's on the agenda? And winter fun. So yeah, let's pull this one out. We're gonna put it right there on Monday. So I can quickly look and see the things I want to try and get done this week. We're not going to use any others out of that pack. And I do have to check my monthly to see what we have going on. Okay. So I'm gonna pull this shopping list out because I need to run to the store and pick up a few things for Christmas. Oh, look, here she is in a little one. Oh. Just trying to cover this up a little bit more. We'll have to find some more holly. Okay. Let's check the Squad book. So I really like the colors that I've got here. So the next thing I want to do is go through and put in some boxes because we do have some appointments this week. So I'm trying to bring in some of the navy. I think that's navy from this side over to this side. I'll close that book for now. This is cute. It says, I heart the weekend. So let's pull that, pop that over here. Adorable. Okay, we're definitely going to use some of this holly. Okay, settle down, paper. this? Oh, right here. Cute. All right, I love that. That's kind of cute. Okay. That's definitely crooked. There we go. So I'm trying to bring in some of this. We need definitely this color over here. She's making snow angels. All right. I think this side might be good. Actually, okay. This one says, but first coffee, which is literally the first thing I do in the morning. Okay. So we have an appointment Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and Saturday. My dogs are getting groomed. I don't know why it's impossible to put stickers on correctly. I'm gonna move this today's sticker up to here. Okay. But is this too empty here in the middle? Let's put the cover on the X-Acto knife so I don't hurt myself. I could put like a to-do list here. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. And then we'll put this color down here. So I think this helps bring in more of the colors so that they're even across the spread. I wonder if I could find a scallop or move this scallop here to over here. All right, that looks cute. No. Let's pull that up. I wanted to do a box with some of the little trees that I saw. All right, let's do that. Let's toss a tree here. No. Okay, that adds a little something here. It's very busy, but it's still really cute. I still want to cover up this too because I don't love this holly. Okay, that's not coming up. I guess it doesn't look terrible. I think I'm only noticing it because it was catching my eye before. All right. Look through this one more time. Just make sure there's nothing else that I want to put in there. No. Yeah, I think if I add any more, it'll just be really busy. The spine on this on the pages here really drives me crazy, but that's okay. Okay, I like it. So I have my things I have to do here. I've got enough room for my appointments and different things I got to do around the house, so I think this is going to work out pretty well. I don't want to add too much more. It'll get too busy. Yeah, we're done. We're calling it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. I do weekly plan with me's, and I have some really exciting new things coming out for 2021. And if you've been with me before, thank you so much for watching. And look me up on Instagram. It's @SargentPlans.